this video I'm going to show you how I have built an AI agent that goes on the Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit or the YouTube, and I find out the people who are talking about with these keywords. Then this AI agent add all these people as the leads collected. Then I am outreaching with the multi-channel all these people here. So I have built out this AI agent that goes on the different social media accounts, find the leads, collect them and outreach using the Twitter, LinkedIn and even the email address. And you can see this is the outreach system I have built here. So this video is going to be super crazy, because if you have any product or the services people talking about on the social media platforms, but you don't know how to find out those people, how to outreach them, then in this video I will show you my step-by-step process how you can not only just find them, but you can scrape them as the leads and then outreach using the different multimedia channel here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So in this video I am using the BrandJet. This platform lets you find out the people that is different social media platforms talking about the keywords or the products or the services you are, and after that not only these people will be found on the social media, but you can just outreach them. So this platform lets you do that, and in this video I'm going to specifically talk about how we are going to build the AI agent that going to find out all these people, scrape them as the leads, and then we are going to use this platform's feature to sending out the multi-channel outreaching. So let's get started. If you want to get to know about detailed features video or the overview of the features about the BrandJet AI, I suggest go to my YouTube channel, find out this BrandJet review video. Here I have talked about in the detail what is the BrandJet, what are the features it's offering for the social media, for the AI overviews mentioned, and how you can use it. So if you want to check it out, this video link is given in the description. So if you want to build the AI agent that can scrape the people or the mentions or the different social media accounts, let me show you how you can do that. Once you got its account here, you have to go to the AI agent. By the way, its lifetime deal is available on the AppSumo. If you go to AppSumo, just search the BrandJet, or you can just get the link in my description of this video or the comment section, and after that you can see we have the lifetime deal is available. With the help of you can get this amazing platform with the lifetime access. Yes, you don't need to pay any monthly or the yearly charges. So its pricing starting from the $69, but what I suggest, go at least the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan, because here we will get the limit extra that in the tier 1 plan we have the limited. So if you want to check it out the deal, again link is given in the description and the comment box. Now let me get to the this platform. We have to go to this AI agents, and after that we have to click here on the new agent. You can see this is the AI agent I have recently built, and if I refresh the page, this AI agent is just getting me the new leads every minute here. Let me refresh the page, and right now okay, I have around the 455 leads collected out of the different social media platforms. I will show you out, and this is the 80% collection rate here. So these leads will be collecting from the Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit and the YouTube. So if I go to the activity, you can see this is all the people as the leads here will be collected. You can see this people is on the Reddit, this is on the LinkedIn, and if I go to this list goes on. So can you assume the leads you are getting is really the high quality, the people that is actually seeking about the solution or the service here. So I have added all these keywords here, and everyone that is talking about related to these keywords will be marked as my lead here. And I have just added the sentiment that is either the positive, looking for the buying, or the neutral, that is seeking for help in these keywords related here. So I have done that, and not only that, what I have done, I have just added the skip duplicity and auto list creates. So this list then be automatically added to my campaign, and this is the campaign here that is starting from the X message or the Twitter message. Then the LinkedIn profile is checked, and then LinkedIn connection will be the send, then post like, then the message will be the send here. So this is the really advanced campaign I have launched here. So we have to get started with the building our first agent. So we will go to the AI agent, then we will click here on the create new agent. In the create new agent we have the two options available. Either we want to get started with the mention reply or the lead collector. So I want to collect the leads, then hit the continue. Then after that it will ask you what this AI agent will be to do. So this agent is collect leads for my services. Okay, then we will click here on the create or generate agent. Okay, then it can take some time, around the 10 to 15 seconds to building up your agent here, and then once this thing is done, we are going to just configure our agent here. So you can see here, this is the our agent, and this is the description here, and this is lead collector. We can still change whether we want to mention the replies or the lead collector. So once that is done here, we are going to, okay, we have to lead list required. We have to select the lead list. So we have these two lists available. I am going to select this one. Okay, then what you want to do, either you want to automatically create the campaign or not. Yes, I want to automatically create the campaign here. I want to skip the duplicate leads, then click here on the create agent. Now in the final step, you can see my agent is built here, and this is the 0 scans, means no leads scans till now. So we have to configure few things, like we have to add the keywords, and these keywords will be the used to find out the people who are interested in our leads here. Okay, so we will go to the conditions here, and you can see which platforms you want to use for the scraping the leads. We have the by default selected Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, and the YouTube. Okay, so I am going to go with all that. Then sentiment, either the people are looking for the my services buying or looking for the help. I don't want the negative people. Then this is all the keywords here, and here we have to add the keywords manually, because the keyword it is going to add not that much of the good. Okay, so we have to do the keyword research, and I have done the list here. Like this is all the keywords related people who are talking on the social media or the platforms I have selected in my campaign I want to target here. So I have to simply grab the list and add it here. So make sure you have your keywords or the business related keywords list ready, and then with the comma separated you have add them. If you have any negative keywords, you can just add them here. Okay, then simply click here on this save changes. Now your this AI agent is configured on this keywords people are talking on the social media platform, these platforms, then they will be added in my list here. Then the last thing, we have the lead configuration that we have already done, auto create list, campaign, and this skip duplicate leads here. Now we will go to the overview, and here I am going to refresh the page, looking to see if this AI agent is working or not, finding the people on this platforms or not. So right now I am not able to see any leads collected, so we have to wait for the few minutes while this thing is working out. Let me refresh the page again. Yeah, still I haven't found any leads here, so we are going to wait around the 5 minutes and see if actually this AI agent is working or not. Okay, after a few minutes I got to see that my AI agent is now working out. It's got the 50 scans, and out of 50 it's got the 17 leads instantly. Can you imagine? This is the 17 people that is highly engaged in your services or the product related. Okay, and you have now the collected as the leads that you can outreach. So if I go to the activity, I can see the people here, like this is on the Twitter, and you can see this is the leads here. I can even view them. Okay, so I got the leads from the Twitter, I got the leads from the LinkedIn. If I go to next page, let's see if even if I got on the Reddit or not. Yeah, few of them I got on the Reddit here. Now what the next thing we have to do? So our list is ready. If I refresh the page, let's see if we have the more. Yeah, I got the few more leads collected here, 49, and my collection rate is the 98, and this is the out of box here. Let me tell you that. So my leads list is ready. Now we have to create the campaign. So if you remember, I have created the campaign that is the automatically added with all these leads here. So this is the campaign automatically built. Now we are going to add it here. So first thing first, we have to create a outline what thing we want to do. Our campaign is the built with the list that is from the Twitter. Okay, you can see that is from the Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit here. So we have to create a campaign of the sequence that people is going to be the outreach with on these platforms here. Okay, so first thing, we have to use the accounts here, which accounts we are going to use. So I have connected all the accounts, like this is my Reddit account, this is my LinkedIn, and this is my email account for the outreaching I have connected. So if you want to know how to connect these accounts here, I suggest go to YouTube channel and search out BrandJet review by me, and you can see in this video how you can connect these accounts. Okay, so once that is thing done here, we have to go to the next step, that we have created the accounts. Now we are going to the sequence. Okay, in the next step we have to just simply create the sequence with the multi-channel outreaching. So right now my these selected accounts are updating here. So once that is thing is done, we can timeout. I have to go to the again I have to click here on the update account. Okay, yeah, this time accounts is updated, so we can go to the sequence here. So now we are going to build this sequence. So this is the campaign start, and first thing I want to get started with the Twitter message here or Twitter reply. So once the lead is found, I want to just give the reply or send the message. Okay, so let me delete that. I want to send the message here, not the reply. Okay, so I will go here. There's the this is the Twitter message here. I will send out the message. Then the next thing, if the profile or the lead has the LinkedIn profile, we want to find out that. So has the LinkedIn profile exists? Okay, and if yes, that is exist, we want to send out the connection request. Okay, so connection request will be sent here. Okay, and if the connection request is accepted, we want to send out the message here. So let's see, where is the message? Yeah, this is the message. But if the connection request is not accepted, we want to send out like the first profile visit, then we want to give the post reaction, and then first we are just warming up with the lead, and then we want to send out the message here. Okay, so that thing is done here. And if this message is replied, we want to again send a new message here. Okay, so this is the new message with after the waiting here. If you want to change the waiting, you can do that. Like I want to send out with minimum around the let me close this one, around this 2 days. Okay, so let me add the 2 days, save here. Okay, now I also want to add the email. Okay, so let me go to this plus icon, and the if the lead has the email, I want to send out the emails as well. So I will go to send an email here, and here I can add the subject line. Okay, or I can craft the email. Let me go to this icon here and go to settings. This here I can add my subject line, and this is my email copy here. We have also the few templates available that I can select from here. Like we have the thank you, we have the follow up, all this stuff. So you don't have to go with the detail how you are going to create your first copy here. Just go to the template and select that out. Okay, so right now I have created my multi-channel outreaching system here. This is how it looks like, but we can also add the more things here. Okay, so once that thing is done, you can simply go to launch this campaign, and that will be ready for you. So that's how not only you are just scraping the different social media platforms, finding out more ideal and the suitable leads for your business, services or the products, but you are also outreaching them in the real time. And this system builds on the automation. You don't have to do anything. You have to just set up first time your AI agent, and it's automatically find out all the leads suitable for you, automatically adding them in your campaign and automatically outreaching them here. You have to just simply monitor this stuff. So that's how this AI agent I have built, and I have showed you how you can also build out using the BrandJet right now available on the app. So much starting from the just $69. So if you enjoyed this video or find any helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. So that's all. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.